Hey everyone, Jeremy Rack here. Welcome back. I got a new video here that covers some of the expectations of paid advertising, someone new getting into it, and why those expectations are usually the wrong to begin with. And also there's some great tips that Joshua Elder brings about paid advertising and what you kind of want to, why you want to use it and how you want to develop your business with it. So check it out.
What's going on, you guys? Just taking a quick break from the day. I'm here with my bro and we're just kind of hanging out here, about ready to get some lunch. And I wanted to shoot a video for you guys about the expectations you should have when it comes to doing paid advertising. You see, a lot of people expect to actually make money on their paid advertising, whether it be solo ads as an affiliate marketer, or it be paid traffic like YouTube, Facebook, any sort of paid advertising where you're paying money to capture leads and create sales. The expectation, a lot of people set, these gurus, I guess you could say, set wrong expectations. You should never expect to make money on the front end of your paid advertising. So if you're promoting a ClickBank product, you're promoting digital physical product, a lot of you guys feel let down because you run an ad, it doesn't work. You maybe make some money, but you maybe don't make any money at all. You're in the red and you never profit. And you're not realizing there's a second half to this whole entire equation. The first half is to lower your deficit on paid advertising, not even make money on paid advertising, but lower your deficit. Okay. Now, the second half of this is promoting higher ticket products, so you can actually make money on the back end of your advertising. So you use the front end to bring in customers at a lower price point, and then you use your follow-up email sequence, you use videos and YouTube and broadcast emails to indoctrinate people, to get them to know, like, and trust you, and then promote your higher stuff on the back end. If you look at any successful business, you look at Apple, they don't just sell iPhones. They sell computers. They sell accessories. But if they just have one product that's like a phone, and let's say this phone, right, there are iPhones that are over $1,000, but for this situation, let's say a phone costs $700 and all they do is they sell phones all day. But then it costs $1,000 to acquire a customer. They're negative $300 in the hole, and they have no other products to promote to that same customer that initially bought the phone, so they can improve their upside, so they can make profit. And that's what a lot of you guys are doing, is you're doing paid advertising on the front end on these different affiliate products. You're in the negative, and then you don't even follow up. You don't even email. You're not even promoting other higher price products so you can break even and make profit on your advertising. And that's the dilemma. That's the huge issue. You must use paid advertising on the front end of your marketing to lower your deficit, promoting lower ticket products from $7 up to like $97. And then you want to take those buyer leads, nurture them, take care of them, and promote higher ticket products to them that will get them closer to their goal a lot faster. And then thus them being happy because they're getting the results they want, because they're, obviously going through a product that's more value, and it's also higher ticket. So you're benefiting and you're able to make profit. So don't expect in the first 30 days on your paid advertising to make profit. You might spend a few $1,000s and you might get, let's say 20 customers. And then 60 to 90 days from that point, one of those customers turn into a high ticket buyer. And that might turn into a $1,500 sale, a $2,000 sale. And that's where you're making profit. So you have to be patient. You have to trust in the process. You have to know the expectation of paid advertising and how to turn paid advertising into profit. So if that's something that you're interested in, you want to get access to my system, which not only shows you how to promote lower ticket stuff, but it also shows you how to promote the higher ticket stuff in the right way through value-based marketing. And I do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. All you got to do is click the link below for more information. I hope you got value from this video. I'm going to go grab some lunch And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you're on my YouTube channel, you might be on a different landing page, but if you're on a YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. Take that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, because I'm always giving consistent value on how to create a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So with that said, you want to get access to my system, you want to learn more, click the link below, whether it be in the description or there might be a button below. Go ahead and click that. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.
Hey, this is a quick ending to the video. I think Josh has given you some great tips, some strategies about the paid advertising, and then on a personal level, I've actually started to use this myself, and then I just want to give you some actual, footage, some trackability of using this, and here it is. So I'll share my screen over to my email funnel and minimize my screen down to there. And so what this shows is, currently I started paid advertising in February, March, and these are the visitors that I got. So mainly this is boom, boom, boom. This shows it. So if I go back to last month, actually, this will give you a better example of it. If I do this under, let's see, sales, let's go last week. Here we go. Yeah, so this is really good. So this shows that when I first started it was in March. Here's the visitors I got, right? And then I broke a plane where I actually stopped the paid advertising, and then I picked it back up just recently. And so that basically shows what happened. And then back in March, I did have a nice commission with it, and that was just from a handful of visitors. But if I go to the last 30 days, here's my commissions. It shows $99 in commissions. The actual revenue pulled in off of the sale item, $197. So it shows one sale over 12 visitors, and then it kind of peppers in here from February to March, and then it picks back up to April. So it does work. I didn't even expect a commission from it, but here it is. It shows a commission, and once I reach into the 20s for visitors, then I'm gonna make another one of these and then start to show my results. Hopefully they're even better, and then down the line it'll turn into more commissions. So I think it's good. I think this is good for everybody that's not used to or not getting what they want out of the free strategies. So this kind of pumps people right into your email funnel. Do what's best for you, but this is what I've done. So check it out.